everyone! Today we're going to learn about the letter Z. Ready to have some fun learning our alphabet? Let's trace the letter Z along the dotted lines. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Let's write the alphabet letter again, thinking about how we make each stroke. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Good job! What do you see behind the letter? Look, there are lots of letters on the floor. A cute child found the letter Z. Z. Let's pick up each letter and guess what it is. It'll be a fun alphabet game. Let's figure out which uppercase and lowercase letters go in the empty spaces. Do you know what letter comes before W? V. That's right. Then, what letter comes after W? X. That's right. Guess the letter that comes after Y. Z. Good job. Let's point to each one and read the uppercase letters. Uppercase V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. Let's do the same thing for the lowercase letters. Guess the letter that comes after V. That's right. Lowercase W, X. The answers are Y and Z. Let's read them again. Lowercase V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! Our friends are having so much fun sliding down the Z-shaped slide. Z. Let's write the uppercase letter and then find and connect its lowercase letter. Uppercase Z. Let's find the lowercase letter. Found it! Lowercase z. Good job! Uppercase U. Let's find lowercase u. Found it! Lowercase u. Good job! T is for telescope, let's find a place. Uppercase N. Lowercase n. Good job! This is a maze shaped like the letter Z. Shall we find our way through the maze by following the arrows? Maze complete! Great job! There are dots next to the letters from A to P. Shall we connect the dots in alphabetical order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. It turned into the letter Z. Let's write the letter Z with our crayons.
J is for jungle, wild and free. K is for key, to
Z.
open the way.
Good job!